Hi fellows! In this video, we will see how to get the attachment from email messages and stored it in the specific Drive folder. First, prepare the search query that used to search the emails in the inbox. Here, I need the email that are having the attachments, so included the has attachment in the search query. Next, introduce a variable to store the results that we get from the search query. Now, iterate the list of threads to get the individual thread. Next, get all the messages from that email thread. Now, iterate the list of email messages to get the individual messages. Next, get all the attachments from that email. Now, iterate the list of attachments to get the individual attachment. Now that we have all the attachments from the email, the next step is to specify the Google Drive folder where these files should be stored. Specify the folder ID here. Now, add the script to create the attachment in the specified folder. Save the script now. This is the email attachment I would like to store in the Google Drive folder. Run the script now. You can see that the email files have been successfully copied to the Drive folder. I hope everyone will find this helpful for loading email files into Drive folders. Thank you for watching this video.